How to verify your Discord account. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Discord account. So first, go ahead and sign into your Discord account. Head over to Discord and then sign into your account. And then from here, click on user settings, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. So once you click on it, you'll get redirected to your account settings. From here, go ahead and enter your number and country code. So you can verify your phone number or your email. So if you don't have a verified email yet, you'll be able to find a verify button in here instead of a reveal button. So click on that and you'll be able to receive a verification link on your email. So if you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder and then go ahead and click on that link and that will redirect you back to your Discord account and you'll get verified for that email. You can also verify your phone number. So click on add at the right side of phone number, set your country code and enter your phone number after that. Discord will send a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter the code to complete the verification. So why verification matters? It helps prove you're not a bot, required to access some servers or features, and enables two-factor authentication for added security. And that is how you can basically verify your Discord account.